What's up, everybody? This your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. I got my cycling shades on. So you wonder why I got these white shades on. This is my running cycling shades. But anyway, the sun out and I don't have my other black Ray-Bans because I know these things look crazy. But anyway, man, I just want to talk to you guys about why I can drop $1,000 to fly out of town and how you can do that too. Excuse me. So over the last weekend, I flew out to North Carolina on Friday and I came back Sunday night, and I spent over $1,000, and I did that because first and foremost, it was something that was on my heart and it was the best thing for me to do. So I flew out there. My cousin built a house out in North Carolina and I wanted to support them and help them move. So me and my cousin-in-law, we moved a lot of the heavier stuff, broke it down and got it to their new house. Now that ain't the point, and the money ain't the point. The point is, appliance repair enabled me to spend that money without blinking an eye, batting an eye, doing it, and it just kept right on going like it didn't happen, like it was easy, like it was $100. Appliance repair can help you drop money for trips, drop money on your girl, drop money on your kids, and it be cool, and you ain't stressed. This is what appliance repair can do for you in your life if you get in and apply yourself, man. I'm not trying to preach, nor teach. All I'm trying to do is give you the game. If you're a man or a woman with the will and ambition to move forward, to study and do your due diligence, you'll be able to take a trip, a weekend, once a month, if you so see fit, to just give you a better peace of mind, a better life. If you want a new car, better car, put your kid in private school, appliance repair is the vehicle that you can get into to help you do these things. And that's all I'm trying to tell you, man. I was able to go out to North Carolina and help my cousin to do something that felt good to me in my spirit. And you can do that too. You can do things that feel good to you. You can help your people out. You can help your mom out. You can be that guy or girl that can be the one that lend a helping hand when people need it. So appliance repair can do that. And if you need help with that, you can holler at my guy Mike Sneed over at ABC. If you have already got into the industry and you need a little guidance, you can get with my mentor, who is Ms. Ward. I think they have a lot of other people that you have to vet out for yourself. I hadn't vetted them out, so I'm not going to give you any names, but you can vet them out. And if you just need some basic stuff, you can get at me in the comments. I am a single person shop business with my wife that does some back-end work for me. That's how we do it. A basic 2-person operation. You can make a good amount of cash doing it like that. I work a full-time job. That's what my channel is about. Me and my journey, and me working a full-time job while having this business. And I'm doing like 1 to 2 calls a night, and then I bust them down on the Saturdays and or Sunday. And man, it's a wonderful life, bro. You can do it. All you gotta do is apply yourself. And if you need a little help, you can holler at me in the comments. And if you just want to talk to me, we might put something up there for some consulting calls. But the price is gonna be up there because I don't need to just talk to people who just ain't really talking about nothing, who like $10 and they gonna get on here. Like, I don't like to waste my time because I'm always in motion. My mind don't stop. I'm always going, doing something. So I don't want to waste my time. Please don't waste your time, because if you get on there BSing, I'm gonna tell you about yourself, and you're gonna be over on YouTube or in the comments talking bad about me, talking about how to talk crazy to you and cuss you out and talk to you like you was a dog, because I probably will. I got a short fuse for that. So, but if you really with the business and you really want to go somewhere and you really want to be able to support yourself and have some extra spending money, even while you have a full-time job, man, get with ABC, get into the trade, get with Miss Ward if you need a mentor, or if you want to talk to somebody like me who's a one-man shop with his wife helping on the back end, 2-person, 1.5 person, however you want to roll with it, then you can holler at me. All right?